Hi, I'm Alan. I'm a software developer here at PPO, specializing in industrial cameras, frame grabbers, and the camera interface to our software and in the system. The cameras, when we get them, they're pretty expensive near-infrared cameras, and they're idiosyncratic, so they need some testing and checking when they first arrive. And I do some sanity checks on them before passing them over to the optics group to make sure that they're ready to run our protocols and work in our machines with all their functionality. Some of the tests that I run here are looking for bad pixels on the camera. When we first onboard a new camera, we have to make sure that the performance is what we require. Make sure that the camera is running the same protocol and is going to work with our software. These are complicated software animals themselves, so we have to make sure that the firmware interface to the camera remains compatible with our software and will work in the system.